So it starts from a problem. Customers don't even know that they have that problem. So we try to identify it with them and educate them. This is the problem that you have. So to make it concrete, and especially now in the world where AI and large language models are very accessible to users, they would use AI to ask questions about their data, and their data is probably scattered across multiple sources of truth in their enterprise environment or data architecture. And usually it's built throughout. So it's a ton of data that is cluttered, or some people would understand where that some data exists. So maybe they are using Salesforce as a CRM, a different ERP system for order management, and they have to connect the two, and they have pipelines there. They understand that. When you give that to an external point, give it another external point of reference, like maybe an AI coming in, it's very hard for it to understand what's the meaning behind those concepts. And usually they try to prompt engineer it or create certain data of sources or mapping between things. That's what people intuitively think of doing. And if you really zoom out and think of it abstractly, that's basically creating a spaghetti of different mishmash of things. The way we want to approach it is a bit different. So what we want to introduce to them is the concept of semantic meanings. And we usually don't really use these academic terms of semantic drift and syntactic drift. We can talk about them. But really what it is we want to have a layer of abstraction so that when you ask someone, what does a customer mean? We have a good understanding of what that customer means, where it exists, and how it's being tracked.